A report is a combination of different components. Each component has its own size and location. Some components are data-related, like list or chart. List component displays detail-level data like account name and account type from each account. Chart, table and measure box display the summary level of data, like total account group by account type. The other components are not related to data, like line or text box, when using for label purpose. In this video, we are going to create a new report. The report has a logo, a report title, grouped by account type, showing total case created for each account type, and a list of opportunities in that account type. It uses both data and non-data components together with data joined to the report data source. First, we will use non-data related components to create the report header. Select Page Header section. Drag and drop a text box to create the report title. Go to Component option. Change the font size. Resize the box. Grab and move it to a different location. Use an image component to create an image. Upload the image. Resize. Move. Use a line component to create a line. We are going to work on the data components next. A data component could display data by its own data source. In that case, it will be displayed independently on the report just like a dashboard component. We will use the total number of the case to show the difference between join and non-join components. Select Section Group Header 1. Drag and drop a measure box into the report. Report Upgrade supports different data sources. The item main under Salesforce category is the Salesforce org you are currently in. Select it. Then select Case Object. Click Next. Select case number to calculate how many case in the case object. Click Next. We want to add a filter to exclude the empty account type value. Click on Add Field Filter. To exclude empty account type, select account type from the drop-down list. Select Not Equals from the operator. Leave the value empty. Remember to click on Insert to make it effective. Click on Finish to create the measure box. Resize. And move. Use a text box to create a label for it. Resize. Change location. Change font size. Preview the report. You will see the case count is showing as an individual number without relating to anything other parts of the report. Next, we are going to create a report data source and use it to group the report by account type. Select the Data tab. Select the data source. Select Object Account. You will see a list of fields related to the account object. Drag and drop account type field into the report. Adjust the size and location. Change the font size. Go to the Layout tab. In the Group by field, select Account Type. This will group the report by each account type value. Select the measure box we created earlier which shows case count. Click on Options. Report field to link to measure box. This is the field from the report data source to join to the measure box. We are going to join them by account type, so we select account type here. Go into the measure definition. Field to link to report is the field to join to the report data source. Also select account type from it. Now we have set up the measure box to join to the report data source. Let's preview the report. You can see the report display case count by each account type. The data join is performed inside the report. It could be used to join as many components and data sources as you need. Next, we will join the opportunity list to the report data source. Drag and drop a list component into the report. Select a different data source. Select Data Source Main from Salesforce. Select Opportunity from Object List. Click on Next. To select fields, drag and drop them into the display field box. Select Close Date and Name. Click Next and Next. In the last step, select Join Fields from the list component and the report data source. In our case, we are going to join them by account type. Select Account Type from the list component and also Account Type from the report data source to join them together. Just like the way we join MeasureBox to the report data source. Create a list component. Adjust size, column width, and location. Preview the report. Now we have a list of opportunities belonging to each account type. To know more about the advanced features of the Report Builder, select a specific topic to continue.